Welcome to eTollFree's Cloud Phone System tutorial. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of the PBX dashboard, and this is about setting up your inbound destination. In simple terms, an inbound destination is where you decide where incoming calls should go when they hit your system. It could be a specific phone extension, a department, or even a voicemail. This feature ensures that every call gets directed to the right place. Let's dive in and get this set up together. Step 1. Access your PBX dashboard. First off, let's log into your eTollFree customer portal, then PBX dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Step 2. Navigate to the dial plan. Once you're in, look for the dial plan menu, then destination. This is where we'll create rules for how calls are handled. Step 3. Routing the phone number. Under the dial plan, you will see the phone numbers you purchased from us. Whether it's a toll-free or local number, all you need to do is to click the phone number. You don't need to worry about the fields that you see for the phone settings. All you need to do is go to Actions field. It's a drop-down that will show you how the phone number is configured. For existing customers, you should see more options to this drop-down, whether it's a call forwarding to a different number, an IVR system, fax, or more. For new customer, please check out our videos on how to add a forwarding number, fax, voicemail, and more. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.